The business challenges that we face was integration into our systems. We have experience with Teamcenter and working with Siemens, and that has been really positive, and being able to have one-on-one contact with the team has been really positive, and to architect solutions together has been something that we have really progressed in. The Teamcenter Easy Plan is something that we use in the active workspace client, so the web-based client, and that is something that we have adopted in multiple areas and we use across our ME organization. Siemens Accelerator digital manufacturing solutions are helping us to reach our goals. We have a vast range of requirements that we get from our customer. One of those that I want to touch on is a DFAR requirement. That requirement is vast, and one of those strict requirements is that we have an engineering bill of material alignment to a manufacturing bill of material alignment. And that Teamcenter solutions have helped us to shift that left and to be much more efficient to deliver the needs to our customer. Now with EBOM MBOM alignment as part of Easy Plan, we're able to use the tool suite to provide us with the information we need to meet our customer requirements. We believe it's a lot more efficient to have a platform that provides users with directions based off of clicks and actions and a task-based system. So that has been amazing to work with Siemens side by side to continue to progress this into something that's task-based. Just like we use our cell phones every day and we use lots of technology every day, the idea is to make it intuitive, and that's what we're really trying to do as we solution with Siemens.